Hello travelers, I'm Vijaya from Meraki Explorer and this travel blog is from Matara, Sri Lanka. I met with an accident just a week before this trip and yet decided to continue my trip or journey to Sri Lanka. And what is interesting about this travel blog is that I tried couchsurfing for the first time. So here is my experience.
So I have reached Matara and for the first time I'm trying something known as Couchsurfing. So Couchsurfing is a website where you can connect with people from all over the world and they host you for free. So I don't know this person and I'm going to meet them for the first time and stay at their place in Matara for 2 days. So I'm taking the next connecting bus to their place and hoping it turns out nice. I'm also excited and a little scared too. This is where I'm staying and it's in Matara district. So I'm going to show you around the place. There's also a tiny dog here, but what I love the most is that my host has taken every opportunity to recycle and plant. You see a chapel and there's plant growing in that. It looks like Tiger is calling us. So hi Tiger. So he is a stray dog that they adopted recently. Oh, okay. Hi. Oh, do. Who's a good boy? Who's a good boy? Oh, okay. Good boy. And then let me show you the rest of the house. So that's pepper being kept to dry. And this is the veranda where you usually just chill. And this is my host Chamith. This is the hall and I'm going to show you my room. This is where I'm staying and the best part is this. So the house is quite spacious and this is their they've kept memories on display. That's the dining table and this is what we ate for breakfast today. It was coconut rice sambal, which was delicious, and this is the toilet. That is my host. She's an amazing cook. She cooks really well. She made some chicken curry last night and she's just roasting some spices now. And this is her kitchen. So that's cumin being roasted. Should I? So just trying and helping. Also, if you're wondering how do you use Couchsurf, you can either go to www.couchsurfing.com or use their app. So there are verified members and non-verified members. I'm not verified yet. So you get about 10 introductions, which means that you can write to about 10 people and ask if they can host you. After which, if you've exhausted your 10 chances to write to people,
you might have to upgrade and get verified. So I'm with my host Shanti,
Shanti.
and we're eating breakfast. So there is coconut rice,
Coconut rice.
and what is this?
Monaano puti එක කට්ට සම්බෝලනේ.
Oh, onion sambar. Okay, so it's basically rice that is cooked with coconut milk.
Coconut.
And the sambar is onions and chili.
Chili.
And garlic?
No.
No garlic. So we're making rice cake. What is it called in?
Cow.
Cow.
It's not rice cake.
Okay, it's a type of a dessert.
Sweet.
Sweet. So we have
සිංහල අවුරුද්දට හදන
we
කෑම.
have rice flour in this. We have sugar, and we have a little bit of wheat flour
මාදුළු.
and maduru, which is roasted fennel. Smells good. And there is caramel here.
කැරමල්. ගන්න බෑ. අතනින් තියාගත්ත නම් දේසියි.
It's becoming like a dough.
ඔව්.
So remember we made the dough before. This is the dessert that we're making now. Kabu.
කැවුම්.
Kau.
කැවුම්.
Kau. Okay. It's called kau. And looks yummy. Sorry?
Sri Lankan sweet.
Sri Lankan sweet. And you don't find this usually in the market, no? It's made in the home. Yeah. So it's something you wouldn't
New
find
Year.
it in the
නේ.
market.
නිව් ඉයර් එකට තමයි ගන්න අපි.
Okay.
slowly, slowly.
Oh, more. It's good. Yeah. Okay.
Right.
Okay. So you also tap the sides a little bit.
Again, try again.
Thank you. I'm going to eat one. Half.
No. Full.
Ooh, it's hot.
Hot.
Not so sweet, but the fennel is quite pronounced.
Now we know.
Okay. Now
Start.
Oh. Thank you.
May balan tata. May balan haduai ka.
It's day 2 at Matara and it's time for another lunch. And today we have papadam, we have onion sambal, yum, we have some fried rice, Sri Lankan style, and we have some lentil curry. My host is taking me to a local hospital to get my dressing done. My leg is slightly better, less swollen. I can walk much better, but still not so great. The knee still pains. So hoping I get some nice views on the way to the hospital.
මේක තාමනේ නේ.
So do you usually come and chill here?
No.
Okay. My host got me to a local hospital and a local doctor, and I got a new dressing done. This is off, this is healing, but the knee injury is still bad, still has pus. So that's the update. So this is today's dinner. There's fried chicken, chicken fried rice, dal, there's egg hoppums, there is sauce, sambal, and thank you for this meal. And we just met some neighbors and buying some fish. What is the name of the fish? Kelawala. So it's amazing how fresh the fish is, and it's you get it without having the trouble to go to the market. So today is day 4 and another hospital visit for me. So fortunately this wound has healed, but my knee wound is still bad, and today I'll be leaving from Matara and going to Kandy. I am bidding bye to Matara on this note, and my host Shanti is coming to Matara to drop me, and the next stop is Kandy. I'm really grateful and thankful for her that she hosted me for 3 days and I was able to recover with my wound. And hope you enjoyed this travel vlog. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, and let me know if you enjoyed this travel vlog or if there are any suggestions. Stay tuned for another episode of Sri Lanka. See you soon. Bye bye.